So this is just a quick visual of an installation, a retrofit of a green roof, just to give you an idea of the buildup of layers. We don't even get in the end to actually the vegetating of it, but here we have a retrofit. So we have an existing roof. Looks like they've cut a sample to find out what kind of performance they have with this roof. Looks like they're doing some site surveys, thinking about these ideas of what they need to do to accommodate any penetrations through the roof assembly. Here we have them putting down the waterproofing membrane and what looks like it might be an insulation material. And here we have a detail of the probably a waistline vent and the flashing detail that goes along with that. And then over that we have the drainage board, which is labeled in black, and then this moisture retention mat, probably a non-woven material like a very thick carpet, helping to hold moisture underneath what would be a relatively thin soil layer to reduce weight. Now we're applying our soil to it. This graphic here should point out this idea of this is implied, or this is new dead load that's being applied to the roof system. You can see where they built up this roof drain with an area around it so that it won't clog up. It's probably not the best detail, but it's at least the visualization of this needing to pay attention to this idea of protecting these drainage systems. And I think, well, the last, I guess, important issue about this for any of these projects going forward is that they're not cheap. Obviously the membrane systems would be incorporated in normal roofing, but the other attendant mat materials and root barriers, vegetation material, all of that can add up to a very significant cost in the total roof construction. So important to keep in mind at the onset is to start to present these ideas of cost into the project very early. And so that kind of wraps up the idea of green roofs as you prepare to do your lab. Oh, and last one, this is a click. I think this is a link to a nice article about this idea that, if Boston created all kinds of green roofs, they could deal with a lot of issues about runoff and heat island. So I've left that link in for you.